my project is about what we do and what we can do with the many digital technologies that really play a massive role in our lives today, because we are in the middle of a digital transformation of our societies. We use facial recognition, algorithms, we collect personal data for all kinds of purposes in our lives, but this is convenient, but it also creates a massive circulation of data that creates surveillance, and this leads to concerns about privacy, manipulation of behavior, can create biases and inequalities in many different ways. So my idea is that human agency plays a central role in how surveillance works today. And when I say human agency, I really mean that surveillance is not just this dominating factor in our lives. It is really something that depends on our participation, our intentions, and it's embedded in our social context of use. And we know a lot about the surveillance technologies, but not that much about how we experience surveillance, how we practice it, and so on. So in my part, I really hope to bring a new perspective and a new way of thinking about surveillance. And the key is really to foreground what I call the who of surveillance, that we're not just objects, but subjects that act and practice surveillance in different ways. And part of what I will do here in Paris is to develop a method to grasp the richness and diversity of our interplay with surveillance, the many experiences, types of experience that we can have. And an important part of the project is also to collaborate with colleagues here in Paris and my partners at Sorbonne University. And I'm also really interested in inviting Paris-based industry partners to have a dialogue about how we can actually develop and design these technologies in a way that is sustainable and can create a successful digital transformation of our society.